shoe came off. Oh. Damn it. Oh man. John, what happened? Fucking done cracked my down tube. I don't know if there's any bike that... Yeah, I'm fine. Oh, so there's a crack here and here on a full carbon transition Sentinel.
You jumped on that at all?
Did you even crash?
No. Little.
Just short of a jump. Just short of a jump. You know what it was? Is you kept sending me pictures on Instagram of broken bikes.
Yeah, it
you
is,
were like,
dude.
Look at this transition TR500. It looks really cool. Hey, look at this YT.
I'm cursed.
You cursed yourself.
That's
damn.
not cool. Junk. Look up.
I don't know.
Doesn't that guy look like he's having fun?
He does look like he's having fun.
I would say it's probably time to transition to a new bike.
No.
All right, John. What'd you do?
Well, I broke my rear axle, but I'm finna get on one of them and tear up down Knoxville.
John, can you tell me what's going on here?
I don't know. It's just inner tubes don't work for me. I just get flat.
Tires in general. We're gonna start getting you solid rubber tires.
Are we supposed to have an adapter or no?
Oh, that smells gross, man. I don't think I like the smell of cement. You can leave the tire on.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Don't take it off.
You just stick your hands in there and start going, and I'm like, well, I guess he's gonna do it. So I'm like,
That's how it usually works for me.
Whoa! John down! Oh.
oh, you threw your chain, John. You gotta keep going. You threw your chain. It's totally broke? Yeah.
John just said the Russians made it flood like that.
The Russians?
Holy shit. Wow.
Dude, oh my god. Hey, you know what I just realized? You're probably screwing your hub up quite a bit.
Nah.
Woo!
Well, that's a wrap.
Truthfully, I'm nervous. Rowdy boys!
Howdy, boys!
You made it this far.
It's not feeling good. I don't think I should do a high speed exit.
No. What? What?
Brand new shot.
John had a pretty bad day.
Yeah, I know.
No fucking way. Oh, shit. Dude, you have no air pressure in that shock either.
Oh, really?
Yeah, dude.
Oh,
They didn't put anything in there.
Oh, I thought he would have filled it.
No. They probably didn't know your weight.
He put fresh oil in it and he handed. Hold on, dude. I got all this shit falling down.
All right, John. Tell us what happened.
Well, I didn't look before I leaped and pretty much landed on a knuckle of a big double. Flew off my shock and my rear wheel.
Literally exploded your shock.
But Fox hooked me up.
Fox hooked him up with a brand new one.
Yeah. Thank you, Fox.
Now that was on a race stage, right?
Nah. I was just on a transfer. Oh, God.